Hi, my name is Austin Dorman, and I'm a certified funnel builder and ClickFunnels ambassador. And today we're going to talk about how to add the Frameworks app inside of your ClickFunnels account. And before we start, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. And also, if you don't already have ClickFunnels, make sure you go down to the description section to start your free trial today. And also, too, there's some really awesome resources in the description section as well. And so what we're going to do is we're going to add the Frameworks app inside of our ClickFunnels account. So we're going to go over here to the left-hand side. Next to apps, we're going to click Add Apps. And then we're going to click Frameworks. And then we're going to click Add App. And then for this one, this is a new framework, so we could call this Test Framework. And then click Create Framework. And here, this is where you could add all the different parts of the framework, but the most important part is if we go over here to the left-hand side, the framework app is located right here under the apps section. And so that's how you add the framework app inside of your ClickFunnels account. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I'd love to help you out.